fusion. So when we hear the term like weed, marijuana, cannabis, ganja, right? So sometimes we don't understand is it the same thing, right? So I was reading about it like how they're different. So one thing is like very clear that nobody is aware. Most of the people are not aware of the fact that how they are different or same. Right, people think
Yeah,
okay, weed is different, charas is different, ganja is different. So can you just
yeah.
for once and all just clear for everyone how are these terms same or how are they different?
Yes, and I am very happy that you asked me this question, and I have a very nice method of explaining this.
Yeah.
Now, look at the cannabis plant as a cow. हमारे भारत में कोई भी इंसान हो, अमीर गरीब इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट कि एक जैनिटर, उस सबको गाय के बारे में जरूर पता है, राइट?
Right.
काउ एंड इट्स बेनिफिट्स,
Right.
राइट?
Right.
So cow is an animal, bull is the male part, okay? The
Right.
male animal of the same and same animal, right? Now cow gives a child, a calf, and out of for that calf there is milk which comes out. Now with that milk you make cheese, you make butter, you make ghee, and so on and so forth,
Right.
correct?
Right.
Now remove cow from the equation, okay? That xyz वाले की तरह मैथ्स में इक्वेशन से निकाल दो
Right.
और वहां पे गांजा डाल दो.
Right. Okay.
नाउ व्हेन आई से गांजा डाल दो, पहली बात इसलिए डाल दो क्योंकि पूरी दुनिया में, एटलीस्ट अर्थ पे, खाली गांजा और कैनबिस इज वन प्लांट व्हिच हैज अ मेल एंड व्हिच हैज अ फीमेल टू इट, just like we humans have,
Right.
right? So a
Right.
male and a female, and now only a male can have the seeds and only a female can have the buds, okay?
Right.
Now when I say only a female can have the buds, आप मुझे बताओ जो बछड़ा होता है वो गाय से आता है कि वो बुल से आता है?
ऑब्वियसली वो गाय के अंदर से आता है.
जो ह्यूमंस होते हैं वो बेबीज विमेन पैदा करती
Right.
हैं,
Yeah.
करेक्ट? या दैट सेम वे जो गांजा प्लांट है उसका जो बड है वो खाली इट ओनली कम्स इन अ फीमेल प्लांट, सो इट मेक्स इट स्टैंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम द एंटायर प्लांट किंगडम इन इट्स ओन सेल्फ. फर्स्ट थिंग, इट्स कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट.
Right.
इट्स नॉट इन द सेम प्लांट, एक साथ जुड़े हुए नहीं है, इसलिए मैंने वो एग्जाम्पल दिया एक गाय का ना, टू अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ जब वो बड निकला, जैसे बछड़ा निकला, अब बछड़े के लिए दूध निकला,
Right.
करेक्ट?
Right.
सॉरी अबाउट दैट.
No problem.
Yeah. It's usually really cold in the night and really hot in the day. So, the weather thing. So, yeah, अब बछड़े के लिए दूध निकला.
Right.
उसी तरह जो, the female plant, the bud is there. Now that first of all, the plant for botany, it is known as cannabis.
Right.
Okay. Cannabis sativa or cannabis indica. Cannabis sativa is the one which you will freely find in Himalayas. Cannabis indica is the one that is more or less in the Ghats or in the Konkan region or below. All right. So India is one of the only countries which naturally has all the three variants of the plants.
Oh
Okay.
wow. Okay.
Yeah. So sativa, rudrails, and indica. If I have to tell you that what is the difference, North Indian, साउथ इंडियन एंड मध्य प्रदेश जिसको बोलते
Right.
हैं ना,
Right. Right.
जो लोगों में डिफरेंस है ना, सतीवा मतलब हिमालयन जो होते हैं, मेरे दादाजी नेपाली ब्राह्मण थे, हिमालय से थे एंड एवरीथिंग, राइट? वो जो थे वो काफी पतले थे,
Okay.
हेल्थ वाइज उनका जो बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर था, बोन स्ट्रक्चर था, वो काफी ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग था, बट पतले थे, करेक्ट? एंड
Right.
फेयर थे, ऑलराइट? एंड जो इंडिका जो लीव्स होती है, now in the same manner यदि आप साउथ में जाएंगे, so I have relatives in Udupi, in Mangalore.
Oh. Okay.
People over there, yeah, people over there, we Indians are all one. It's just that we are at different places, no?
Right.
So if you come down, you'll understand the people because of the weather, because of the geographical location. They are a little shorter in height because they don't climb mountains and they don't latko on the trees like that,
Right.
right?
Right. Right.
What they do instead is they are amazing swimmers, which the mountain people aren't actually,
Right.
So when you swim in the water for such a long time, or you're by the beach, you sweat a lot. There is humidity. You are shorter a little. The water pressure is always constantly. While growing up, also
Yeah.
these things do make a little difference, and overall, it changes our genetics.
Right.
Okay, same method. The cannabis plant, indica, is the South Indian strains. Sativa is in the Himalayas. Rudrails is a crossbreed between both of them, which is found in Madhya Pradesh, some parts of Rajasthan, a lot of parts of Maharashtra. Okay.
Okay.
Now, there is, again, as a scientist, because I'm a cannabis expert, ganja shodhkarta, if I have to dwell a little more in it as characteristics, your cannabis sativa is something that that is longer, light green. While one intakes, they become more active. Let it be from brain, let it be body, because the people in the mountains or the Himalayas need to be active non-stop. The
Right.
life is very unpredictable.
Right.
We have snowfalls. We cannot afford to be lazy. What stoners are actually, put together with, right?
Yeah.
So this particular plant itself helps them generate a lot of heat. It helps them be active. On the other hand, if you go to Indica, on the southern parts, that strain itself makes you a little lazier. Not lazier, but it lowers down your blood pressure.
Oh.
Once your blood pressure is lowered down, you're relaxed. What do? You sleep it out because it's so hot in the plains, right? In the
Right.
Konkan region during the afternoons,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So these practices of cannabis being a part of our culture are also related to the environment, our weather, and the geographical location. So cannabis, I told you a few names right now.
Yeah.
Cannabis, the botanical name.
Yeah.
Cannabis is variant. Cannabis sativa, cannabis indica, cannabis rudrail, right?
Yeah.
Now this is the scientific side that I have given you. Okay. Now we have heard the names like weed, Mary Jane, marijuana, right?
Yeah.
Now these three and also ganja per se.
And shrooms
These
also.
four.
Shrooms are
Sorry?
same. Shrooms.
No, no, no. Mushrooms. Shrooms comes from the word
Okay.
mushrooms. We have another episode for mushrooms for it.
Sure.
That
Sure.
is also a part of Ayurveda and Soma.
Okay.
But shrooms is something related to mushrooms. Again, it's part in Kodai. A lot of North American places also have that, but it is not cannabis.
Okay.
Cannabis is ganja. Okay. Weed, marijuana और Mary Jane.
Right.
ये जो चार नाम लिए, these are slangs. कैसे आप कुछ नेशनैलिटीज को, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इंडिया में, कैसे मैं नेपाली आधी हूँ ना,
Right.
तो मैं ये वर्ड यूज कर सकती हूँ अपने लिए चिंकी, क्योंकि मेरी आंखें छोटी हैं, करेक्ट?
Right.
बचपन में मुझे बहुत चिढ़ाया जाता था, लेकिन आज ये ऑफेंस है क्योंकि आप रेसिस्ट हो रहे हो उस चीज को लेके,
Right. So
Correct.
weed is a slang.
वो एक स्लैंग है.
Yeah.
यस,
Okay.
marijuana is a slang.
Okay.
Weed is a slang. Weed is something for bad grass, as in a grass which grows freely, wild.
Right.
You know?
So the proper
So
name is
that-
ganja. Proper name is ganja.
No, ganja is also a slang which the Britishers gave because they saw it growing next to Ganges.
Oh.
You know, Ganges, ganja.
Okay.
They were very lazy, weren't they?
Yeah. Yeah.
मतलब खाली E निकाल के A डाल दिया and they got this, So this was also a slang.
Right.
Having said that, hemp is an industrial word used for cannabis. Okay. भांग, अब इसका क्योंकि इतने टाइम से यूज हो रहा है, कोई भी चीज यदि अमन इतने 10 साल या 50 साल तक यूज हो जाए, नाम भी, तो डिक्शनरी में ऐड हो जाती है, करेक्ट?
Right. Right.
तो प्लांट्स के साथ भी ऐसा होता है. तो जो भांग ठेकों पे लाइसेंसेस मिलते हैं, वो भांग ठेके पे जो लाइसेंस शॉप्स पे मिलता है, दैट भांग ठेका बेसिकली, और भांग मीन्स द लीव्स ऑफ द प्लांट. Okay,
Okay. So
the leaves of the
okay. So
plant.
bhang comes from only from the leaves.
Bhang, the word is basically the leaf of the
Okay.
plant.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
Then comes the ganja part, because इतना लंबे से वो slang यूज हो रहा है, तो जो गांजा वर्ड है ना, उसको हम बड के लिए लोकली और हर जगह यूज कर रहे हैं.
Oh. Okay.
लास्ट 20 साल में वो स्लैंग से चेंज हो गया है
Right.
टू एन एवरीडे
Got it.
thing. How people think Black Lives Matter is so cool to say. Bro, stop calling them black. Just stop calling them black.
Yeah, it's like it's a never-ending process. You will always, if your motto is
So cool. Yeah. People think we are just voicing up for them and everything. First, stop the dividing.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
Black Lives Matter that way. So the same goes for, ganja, weed, marijuana. Now people talk about charas or hashish,
Yeah.
जो हमारे NDPS Act में भी mentioned है.
right.
Now हर plant में, every plant has extracts, correct?
Yeah,
Every plant has what do you say, tincture. कैसे गुलाब से भी गुलाब जल निकलता है, correct?
Right.
We get gulab jal, right?
After you
The same
yeah,
thing.
after you crush it in a high pressure.
Yes, correct. Crush it or use a machine for
Yeah.
compression and everything, right?
Yeah.
So now in this example, we will look at cannabis like a rose flower, the female cannabis plant,
Right.
as the rose plant. Okay. So जो rose plant की पत्ती है, वो आपको भांग दे रही है। उसमें भी सिमिलर कंपाउंड्स है जो फूल में है, करेक्ट।
Right.
अगर मेरा डीएनए बाल से निकालोगे तो भी सेम डीएनए निकलेगा, दांत से निकालोगे तो भी निकलेगा, लेकिन ब्रो तुम दांत को सर पे नहीं लगा सकते ना।
Right. Right. Makes sense.
ये
Yeah.
science, you're talking to a
Yeah.
scientist, right? So this is simple science that my DNA is going to be the same for my nails, for my hair, for my teeth,
Right.
yet I cannot put them in their, in the other's place. Their functions are very different. So जो पत्ते का होता है वो रिक्रिएशनल में शिव जी को भांग का प्याला जो हम बोलते हैं वो पत्ती में रिलीजियस सेक्रेमेंट में चढ़ गया,
Got it.
करेक्ट। अब जो बड है उसके अंदर जो टिंचर है, जो रस है गुलाब जल की तरह, गांजे का जल,
Okay.
ओके, जो वो गांजे का जल है उसको हम टिंचर या रेजिन बोलते हैं। यदि उसको मैं अपने हाथ से ऐसे करके निकालूं मशीन के बजाय तो उससे चरस या हशीश बनेगा, और चरस और हैश इज बीइंग मेड, ओके।
Got it.
लेकिन उसको मैं मशीन में डाल दूं तो वो टिंचर या रेजिन बन गया।
Right. Right.
तो मैं एट प्रेजेंट, व्हाइल वी टॉक, एंड आई वांट टू शो दिस एज एन एग्जांपल,
Yeah.
because till the time we are not honest about these things, common sense, it's not going to work out for anyone.
Right.
तो ये मशीन में, ठीक है, ये मशीन में ऑयल निकाला गया है और इसको कैप्सूल में डाला है।
Right.
दिस इज द सेम थिंग दैट यू विल फाइंड यदि आप एक चरस का कहीं से पीस ले लें, ठीक है, एंड वो पीस को माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर देखें तो उसके अंदर आपको ह्यूमन डेड स्किन मिलेगी, ह्यूमन सर्टेन मटेरियल मिलेगा क्योंकि वो हाथ से निकलता है,
Right.
एंड देन उसमें आपको वो टिंचर मिलेगा। बट ऐसा क्या है चरस में जो उसको टिंचर से अलग कर देता है, पूरी दुनिया चरस के पीछे ही जाती है या हशीश के पीछे,
Right.
वो एसेंस, दैट एसेंस ऑफ द ह्यूमन, हैंडमेड,
Oh.
करेक्ट,
Okay.
it's handmade. Each thing that comes to you is handmade, rubbed from the bud like this. So, and there is a procedure, there is a religious cultural procedure. Only ideally, from olden times, a woman or a child was allowed to rub. अब तो मॉडर्न जनरेशन हो गई है
Right.
तो आदमी करने लगे हैं, बट जो पहले पूर्वज थे वो खाली दे यूज्ड टू अलाउ इट ओनली फॉर women and kids. Kids obviously because they are very pure, they haven't done shit chat, and
Yeah.
they are very, right?
Yeah.
Women because they they cook food, they have energy, in terms of food energy.
Yeah.
उनके हाथ में जूठा अगर लगेगा तो वो वेजिटेबल्स का, फ्रूट्स का, वो मिट्टी होगी, गोबर का होगा, that kind of adds the minerals that are needed, so it enhances that entire thing.
Right.
I would want to use the word trip, but we have screwed the word trip so badly. We take trips with our parents, we go for pilgrimage
Yeah.
trips, right?
Yeah.
But now in today 2020, because of the media, because of the way people look at the word, trips are being looked down upon.
Yeah.